So this vlog, I think I'm kind of gonna do a whole health, wellness, fitness, kind of like overall well-being kind of theme. So later in the video, we're gonna have a little Chef Steph segment. Right now, I'm going to quickly unbox a few things that I just got in the mail that are kind of like health and fitness related. I have a bunch of like random non-exciting cool things that I'm doing in the middle of the day, so I'm not sure if I'm going to bring you guys along with that, but I am going to show you a little bit of my workout, some health wellness stuff, and then a little Chef Steph trying something new. So first I'm going to show you guys what I got in the mail. So I have 3 like separate little packages that I'm going to unbox for you guys, and I will say that these were all sent to me, so they were not purchased by me, but they were all sent over, so thank you to everyone who sent this stuff. I'm just going to show you guys really quick. Okay, so first up is another glute band. I have talked about these, I think, in a favorites video, and I've shown them on my Instagram before, but this is from a different girl. The other bands that I have the Katie Hearn ones, I have the Susie B Fitness ones, and then this is another one from a girl that I follow. Her name is Stacy. I posted one of her workout videos, I think, in a Vlogmas last year, but she came out with glute bands, and dude, they're freaking leopard print. So how cute is this? I'll have to try it out, but oh my god, this seems like it's very intensely intense. It's definitely not meant for arm workouts, but I'm just gonna put this on my legs really quick and see how intense it is. But I love that it's leopard. Obviously, you guys know I love leopard. Okay, yeah, that's pretty strong resistant. This is very awkward. Why am I doing this? I don't know what I'm doing, but I love that it's leopard. And I'm definitely going to be using this. It's nice having like several of these because I keep one like in the living room. I have one downstairs where I do my workouts. You can, you know, bring one traveling with you. So it's kind of nice just to have one like wherever you are. So there's like no excuse not to be working out. So thank you, Stacy, for sending this over. It's so cute. The next, the brand Set Active sent over this activewear set. So they sent over the olive green, which I love olive green. And these are kind of like the seamless ones. So kind of similar to the Spanx Camo ones that I've shown you guys, the Morgan Stewart ones, Gymshark, all of those are really similar. And then here is the matching top. So it's just like a sports bra, and I like that it has like this ribbed fabric. They also do like the biker shorts, which I think are cute, but for me personally, I can't do it because my parents are both like Lance Armstrong Tour de France, like literally wearing cycling shorts all the time, and I just can't do it. I can't take myself seriously, but they are cute and they have them. So thank you to Set Active for sending those over. I will try them on for you guys in a minute. The last package is from the brand Alani Nu, which they sent over so much stuff, and I'm super excited to try this because I have actually talked about this brand before and recommended the protein powders to you guys. The pancake brunch one and the blueberry muffin, they're so good in oatmeal. You just put it in oatmeal, add a little bit of almond milk and mix it up, or you can just do water, and it's so good. So when they reached out to me and wanted to send me some stuff, I was like, hell yeah, because I've already purchased from you, so thank you. But anyways, they sent over their peanut butter brownie protein powder, which I'm all about any sort of brownie. And the other one they sent, ooh, this is collagen. So I've been wanting to try collagen because everybody's like raving about it. So this is their collagen and hyaluronic acid unflavored powder. So it looks like this. It comes in a big tub, which I'm surprised to see because all the ones that I see like on Instagram are like in those little like baby like little tubs. So this is interesting, and it says to take 1 scoop in 8 ounces of water. So I'm really excited to try this because I've heard only amazing things about collagen being amazing for your skin and your joints, and I have had such dry skin lately, so the hyaluronic acid and collagen I think will really help. And also like my joints, I'm not sure if that will help with joints, but my joints, like when the weather like changes, like I don't know if I have like arthritis or something, but like the joints in my hands or like in my hips, because I have like hip issues. Yeah, I'm like so old. Like what you have hip issues? You're like 28, what's wrong with you? But when the weather changes, like I can feel it like in my joints, so maybe that will help. Next is a pre-workout. This is the Hawaiian shaved ice flavor, which sounds amazing. I'm going to Hawaii next week, so I don't know when this video will go up, but I'm going to Hawaii. You might see it before or after this, so this might put me in the mood. I'll have to try that. I haven't used a pre-workout in forever, like years, so that will be interesting. They also sent over, super greens. I have been drinking these like green juices. I will show you guys. I think I might have like a little clip of one. But I've been buying them just like at Target or like the grocery store and just kind of drinking one randomly throughout the day just to get in some fruits and vegetables. But this is like in powder form. It says there are prebiotics, probiotics, and digestive enzymes inside for a natural energy boost, helps support immune system. So I'm wondering what this tastes like. Does it taste like a green juice, I wonder? Because this would be way cheaper than me buying green juice every day. And then also they sent their BCAAs, which I used to drink during my workouts when I was like pretty like into it, or like more into it than I am now, which they're supposed to help with like muscle recovery like during and like after your workout. So the sour peach rings, that sounds yummy. All these things sound delicious. This is their pre-workout in the Arctic White flavor. They sent over fish oil, which I've been wanting to pick this up and take because again, this is supposed to be really good for your joints and just like your overall health. So I've never taken fish oil, but I'm definitely going to start. And then this, oh wow, okay, this is called Stress. It says helps reduce anxiety, soothes elevated stress levels, improves mood and sleep, which I need all of those because I've been in a bad mood because I have not been sleeping. I've just been in a bad mood for like a year. Kidding, but not really. I've been so stressed out, like I can just feel it. I don't sleep like at night and I just feel like it's catching up to me. Next is the hair, skin, and nails, which you can never go wrong with that. If you're looking to grow your hair or your nails, I used to take biotin pills regularly, and I'm pretty sure this has biotin in there. Yeah, this has biotin. I stopped taking it though ever since I got my extensions put in because it'll make your hair grow faster and that will make my extensions grow out faster, and you know, I can't be having that because I can't be going to Arizona every 3 minutes. Then we have the digestion supplement, which is for digestion, promotes a nutrient absorbent, breaks down fat, carbs, and protein. Okay, that sounds like it would be good. And then we have one last thing in here. It's called Balance. So there's a lot of hype about this product that I've seen online, and people saying that it's like changed their life and changed their skin. Luckily, I don't personally suffer. That was a bad move. You guys, it was just me. I was knocking on wood for luck. Rosie, it was mommy. Mommy did it. Mama did it. There's a lot of testimonials about this for it clearing people's acne and like changing their skin. It's supposed to balance your hormones and weight management, supports complexion and fertility. So this I'm interested to take. I need to check with my doctor before trying all of these. I don't have a doctor. I don't know what I'm talking about. But you're supposed to check with your doctor before all these. But I am interested to take this because I've been on hormonal birth control pills for a very long time. And I feel like that can't be good for my hormones. So I don't know. I'm going to have to look into trying all of these. I don't know if I'm supposed to take them all at the same time. There's a lot going on here, but I'm excited to try them out, and I will let you guys know in the future, like if I decide to use like any of these, which I use, which I like. But I wanted to show you guys because they sent a lot of stuff over, and these things could be life-changing. So okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what the set looks like on really quick. Definitely fits really well. I believe the bottoms are extra small, and then the top I got a medium. But it's very stretchy and very form-fitting, so I don't feel like these are going to fall down or sag or anything like that. Has like a really nice like suck you in kind of a waistband right here to make you look, what the kids call it, snatched. Snatch, I don't know what it's called. That's what it's called, right? Snatched, or is it snatch? I don't know, I'm gonna stop saying that word because it feels awkward. This is like what the back looks like. So they are seamless, so there isn't like a butt crack seam or a frontal area seam. But this set is so cute in the color. I'm obsessed with the color, so I think I'm gonna bring this on my Hawaii trip too in case I decide to, you know, be active. I just changed back into what I was wearing before because this is what I'm going to wear to work out in. I'm going to wash that set before I actually wear it. So now I'm going to go down into the dungeon and get my workout on. I'm actually gonna try this for my workout today. I'm not gonna do the pre-workout just because I just had a cup of coffee and I don't want to have a heart attack. But I just saw that this was also in there, this little nipple looking device. You put it on your water bottle and it acts as a funnel. So I thought that was really cool. So I'm gonna try this out. Amazing. Technology is just amazing. This isn't even technology. This is just basic things that I'm clearly messing up. Am I doing this wrong? Why is it not going in? I can't even use a funnel. What's wrong with me? This is so freaking good. It tastes literally like peach juice. Anyways, for my workout, I'm gonna do like 30 minutes on this little stair stepper. You guys always ask me about it. I just got it on Amazon. I think it was like $100 or something like that. So I'm just gonna do 30 minutes of that for my workout today. I did arms and legs 2 times already this week. So today I'm just doing cardio on that. So I just get on. I don't use this thing. I just like use my timer on my phone. So yeah, I just do like 30 minutes of this. Sometimes I will just you know, reply to comments when I'm on here. I'm already starting to get out of breath. I'll reply to comments, reply to emails. Sometimes I'll watch like a YouTube video, or I'll turn this around and watch the TV over there. But I'm already like getting out of breath, so I'm not gonna be able to talk for much longer, but you know, it gets the job done. All right, you guys, this episode of Chef Steph is gonna be a little bit different than my usual because this time I am going to be trying out HelloFresh. HelloFresh wanted to sponsor this video because clearly they saw my amazing chefing skills. Chefing is probably not the right word, but they wanted me to try out HelloFresh, so I'm gonna be trying it out. They sent me a few different ones to try. I haven't even opened the box yet, so we're gonna see what we have here. Hello, puppet. So if you guys don't know what HelloFresh is, basically it's a service that delivers all of the ingredients for, you know, healthy, simple meals for you to make. So you don't have to go grocery shopping. Everything is pre-measured. All the ingredients are right there for you. So it's a pretty cool idea. I actually tried HelloFresh a long time ago, like when it first was popular, and they have so many more options now. So they have like classic meals, they have vegetarian meals, and they also have like family, so if you have like kids and stuff. So obviously I don't have kids, I only have furry little dogs, but I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the box and we will get to cooking. All right, so here is the box. Basically what it has inside are recipe cards. So there are Presto Pesto Panko Chicken, cute name. Then we have Sweet and Smoky Pork Chops. Not as cute, but looks appetizing. And then the other one is Korean Beef Bibimbap. Bibimbap, Baby Bop. Not really sure how to pronounce that. But that also looks super good. It also tells you all the ingredients. It has the calorie count, how long it takes to make, and also on the back are all of the instructions. So I'm not sure. I think I'm kind of wanting to make the chicken. I love pesto, so this looks right up my alley. Rose, what do you think? Which one should we make? I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna just open the box and see what we have. Okay, so it has all the ingredients right in each bag. So it's like you like went to the grocery store and everything is just like perfectly organized. This is something I could never do. I'm like so unorganized. I keep buying like 100 of the same condiments because I can't keep track and I never check inside my fridge before I go to the store. But yeah, everything is in here, and then at the bottom is the meat. So I decided to do the chicken. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And yeah, so it says 10 minutes of prep time, 30 minutes total. So these meals are all supposed to be super easy, 30 minutes or less, so you have more time to achieve your goals because you're not shopping and prepping and all that jazz. Wine club. Oh my god, I just saw the wine glass in the corner and got distracted. You know what? I should have a glass of wine. I'm gonna go get one. The instructions basically said so. There was a photo of a wine glass. We've got power mixed greens, pesto, Parmesan cheese, panko breadcrumbs, and there's a bunch of potatoes in here. Cut potatoes into 1/2-inch cubes. Okay, I'm not a culinary chef, okay? So I'm just gonna cut them how I want to. you know, because I just do what I do. Is that how the picture is? I'm not peeling these. No, I'm not peeling those. No way. If it involves peeling potatoes, count me out. I think they're too big. That's what she said. So I just saw step number 2. Wasn't prepared. Step 2 is already roast potatoes. I literally just preheated the oven 3 seconds ago. I'm already screwing it up. Darn it. But this does free up time to drink wine, so. Okay, so while we're waiting, I'm just going to move on to the next step, which is to make the crust. In a small bowl, mix together panko, mozzarella, drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. So I like that everything is already measured, so you don't have to do that. I never like measure anything when it comes to cooking. I just always eyeball it. Okay, what was the other step? Drizzle of olive oil. Ready? Drizzle, drizzle. And some salt. But I feel like we need some garlic, no? Maybe garlic powder. Oh, there's garlic in here. Okay, never mind. Well, we'll just add more because we like extra garlic. Put these on the baking pan. And I'm going to read the directions. What does it say? Olive oil, salt, and pepper. Cool. So we'll just do another drizzle. Oh, that was a big drizzle. So now it says brush 1 tablespoon of pesto on top of each piece. Repeat with other piece. You will have some left over. Okay. So I'm just gonna do this on each one. Spread it out. I feel like this is totally a recipe that like if you liked, you could easily redo. So hopefully we like it. So we're gonna take this mixture and adhere it. I'm using it all in the same baking dish. It said to use 2 separate, but that just sounds silly. And I don't really follow the rules. Oh, there goes, all my adherings. All right, so now it goes into the oven. These are going in for like 25 minutes, and then the potatoes have to be like flipped. What's the word? Rotated, circularized, I don't know. You gotta move them around after about 12 minutes. And yeah. And lastly is the salad. So it has lemon, olive oil, and salt and pepper. So we're just gonna put it in this bowl. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. And we're gonna do more salt and pepper. This is not a salad bowl. I don't even know what bowl this is. I don't have a salad bowl. This is not it. Do not use this. This is like for leftovers. Whoops. Whoops the daisy. That's it. Now we wait for the end result. Oh my god, I forgot a potato. So here is the finished product. Let's compare it to the photo. I mean, that's pretty close. It's pretty close. Okay, so I would say it's pretty good. I would make it again. Did you like it?
Yes.
Pretty good. So if you guys want to sign up for HelloFresh, the meals are now $6.99 per meal, so you get the most for your money. And you can also get 8 free meals your first month, which is an $80 value. You just use the code Stephanie80.
Why not me?
You didn't make the meal.
That makes sense.
Make the meal, you get the code.
Okay. Okay.